I know where I am, but it's lovely to see. There is a question on Telegram about shortwave and about pamac. Now, pamac is a tool coming from Manjaro, shared with the world, where you can do a graphical user interface. So recently there was an update, and that's also important for you. See that you got the last update. Now, our package actually comes from us, so it means that me personally, I built your pamac AUR. So if you type yay pamac AUR, you always have to know the sources. So this one is coming from us, pamac all, and not AUR, Eric, not AUR. So AUR is without snap and without flatpak, and we switched some months ago from pamac AUR to pamac all. So if we are for some reason not up to date at some point in time, you just say number 2 or number 3 and you build it yourself. Basically, that's what I do every morning, build the packages for you. Now, so, well, first of all, you should look at this one, pamac all, and then you see here the reference, the Git version. That's the very, very last change, comma, etc. Everything that's pushed to the GitHub, it's supposedly to be in there with the word Git at the end. So this reference 10.1.1 and this one should be the same, and as you see, they have already pushed one version to the internet on the AUR, which we have not yet built. So it's done on a, well, every morning, basically a daily basis, we build the packages. So I can actually build a new one, and then we get a new version 1.0.1 and 0 and 1.1 here. You see the difference? Which means I'll just stop the video, go to the other computer, build the package, put it on the repo, install it, and then we'll proceed with our project. Voila, that's done. So what do? We update our system. And then we get pamac all, the 10.1.1/1, and that's going to be updated. I have BTRFS now installed with snapshots. That's why we see all these strange things here. And voila, everything should be now up to date. And there's an op all, which is for any other AUR packages, but I don't have any. So we have a new pamac. So the pamac icon is down here, and we should have number 1111, right? So the question was, let me look that up again. So it's called the package that we're talking about is shortwave, and first we need to, well, get to grips with this new look. That's one thing. It's a new look that I have launched, and we can go to software mode, which is might be interesting for you to know. Okay, what kind of packages can Linux provide in certain categories, games, for example, and that's one thing. The other thing is refreshing databases, and in my case I need to go to preferences to ensure that the system knows this graphical user interface, that it knows that it can go to other things as well. But take a look at all the possibilities that you can select. Do you need to update every day and every hour? No, and nobody's going to tell you otherwise. So if you don't want to see this red icon for some time, well, you can just decide not to update for a while. The rest is go and have a look, read, right? And here we are, third party. AUR stuff, I want to know AUR stuff, yes, no. In this case, I need to have either this one or that one. I don't know really which one. I should go and look at the Telegram again. But let's go for the application, right? Let's see, probably gonna need a refresh databases now. And then search. So here is snap, and here is flatpak. Nothing installed yet. Shortwave. And there it is. Find and listen to the internet radio stations. Okay, flatpak. So it's gonna be on snap, and then click here, and one pending operation. We apply preparing, and if we can want to see more, we can. And if it doesn't work like he suggested, then maybe something is indeed wrong with pamac or with snap, or with, you know, we don't know. Nothing is happening right now in this snapd thing. So we have a look. Is there a snap website? Snap Linux, voila. Let's have a look what we get. Snapcraft. Accept and visit. Yes. Shortwave. With an T, Eric. Shortwave. Click. Fine. And then install is up here. Not doing anything. Then we cancel. If we can cancel, yes. Up there. So you're out. And then, yeah, you go without. That's what I need. Control C, Control Alt T, Control Shift V, boom. Let's see if it works. Control Shift Escape. Snap. Are you busy, Snap? What are you doing? Snap is here. That's there. Seems to be stuck as well here. So I guess my message to the user is it's not a good time to install shortwave. Be patient. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Be patient. Because nothing seems to be happening here. Let's do a Control C, not working. Control C, Control X, Control Q, Control S. We're just not, it's not responsive. Any other tricks? Desktop store. Go setup for don't have snapd. We do have snapd because I can remove it. Sudo pacman -remove snapd. It's there. Let's kill it. Control Shift T. There's still, this guy is working. Let's kill this guy as well. Sure. Kill, kill, kill. I do have the right permission. Sudo. Sudo kill. Ah, something is happening here. Let's see. Whoa, that's not my password. Try again. Oh, now we're done doing something more. Never surrender, never give up. But sometimes, guys, just give up. Tomorrow, the next day, next week, right? It's not always fun when clearly things are not working. I think I clicked on shortwave. Ah, there he is. Discover new stations. Discover new stations. Search. M&M. M&M Belgium. Add to library. Discover library. Here we are. And then play, I guess. Or is it playing? Might be. I don't know. Here it is. The play button. He always wants to play via my microphone. I told him that it's not gonna work. Still insists to try. Just joking. All right. So that's working. It's a workaround for the moment. I don't know what's going on, but you may have seen or heard messages about the pamac installer in Arch and AOR. So let's sit this one out. Things will progress, will change, will be updated, and then everything will be fine again. All right, have fun, guys.